Hi guys, today we'll be talking about how to download and install Java. Now, Java is one of the most important programming languages that we have presently. It is a very unique programming language, and it is the most used programming language that we have presently. Today we'll be talking about how to download and how to install Java. Um, as I said before, Java is one of the most popular programming languages. My name is Bashir, your instructor for today. Now, what are the things that make Java unique? Java can be used to carry out develop mobile applications, desktop applications, web servers, and application servers. Java can be used to make games, database connection, and much more. Java, why do we need to use Java? As I said before, it is the most popular programming language that we have. It is very easy and simple to use. It is an open source and free programming language. It is secure and very, very powerful. It has a very huge community support, which means that even if you have an issue, you have what support to help you with. Okay. Now, also, Java was created in 1995. It is owned by Oracle presently, but initially it was owned by Sun Java. Over 3 billion devices use Java presently. Now, so today we'll be talking about how do we install Java. So the first thing you have to do, you have to check, okay, Java running on your system or not. So what do? You go to your Windows, type command prompt, So the first thing you need to do, number one, is to do a check whether Java is on your system or not. Because you have to do this before you download and install. You have to confirm whether Java is pre-existing on your system or not. So the command is Java -version. So we'll say you can see the response is given. It's saying Java is not recognized as an international command on this platform. So what this one means that Java does not exist on this system. So the first thing, as I said before, Java is an open source operating system. So let's go and download Java. After that, we are going to install Java. The process is very, very easy. So when you go to your Google, just type Java JDK. Yes, even before you finish JDK download, and enter. So now, so you see Java download. Now, it's better for you to take the option that has an Oracle source, because this is the first one, Java download Oracle. So you click on it. So when you click on it, it takes you to the Oracle site. As I said before, Java is owned by Oracle. Then if you go down, you see the different versions: Java Standard Edition 18, Java Standard Edition 17. You see different versions of Java. Yes, you have Java Standard Edition HU33. So you have the present version of Java that we have is Java 18 and Java 17. So I'm choosing Java 17. Then you also have to consider which operating system you have. So from the Oracle side, they made Java very, very open source to everybody, and they have made it readily available for anyone that wants to install Java. If you want to run Java on Linux system, click on this option. If you want to run Java on your Mac OS, click on this option. If you want to run Java on Windows, I'm running on Windows 11, so I'm going to choose Windows. So the version of Java I'm going to install is Java 17.03.1 download. Now, you have the version of my operating system is 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to choose Java X64 installer. So you click on this option, download. You want to click on this download, and you can see that Java is already downloading. It will take some minutes for it to download. Now, to make this class very, very fast, I've already downloaded these. You have to hold on for your Java installation to be complete. Well, I already have installed or download of it already. So let's go to my desktop. Your shared drive. Yeah. So I have a folder called Java JDK download. So when you finish downloading, so I have Java 17 here. The size is 156 MB. You have to take note of the size. Now, next thing we are doing is we are going to go forward Java JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So you double click on it. So when you double click on it, Java prompt comes up. So you click on Yes. So it takes some minutes also for it to download. So you now see preparing to install. So the next thing you will do is say welcome to Java Installation Platform. Click on next. Now you see the part where it wants to install your Java. See, you have to take note of it. If normally it takes the default drive, which is the C drive, but if you want your Java to install another drive, you have to click on change. We're not going to change the part here, so you have to click on cancel. So click on next. So the installation of Java does not take much time, you understand? So you will not allow the installation process to continue. This will take some minutes, so let's allow this to run. As I said before, Java is the most popular programming language we have here. They used to build a lot of application, web applications, and games, and that's why it is the most unique. The other programming languages that we have that are competing with it a little bit are Python, JavaScript. Because Java is robust and unique, and it is written more than 1 million times, so any operating system and platform support Java, and that's why I recommend that if you want to come to the programming world, it's very good for you to learn Java. So now you can see the prompt Java TM installed. This shows that we finished the Java will successfully install our Java JDK software. So the next thing that we need to do now is that we need to carry out the configuration process for our Java. So we have to configure. The installation of Java is very, very easy as we know. The next thing we need to configure our Java operating Java development kit. So what do we need to do? Next, we've done the first step, we've done the download. Second step, we've done the installation, and the third step is the configuration of Java. So how do we configure? Now we have to put our Java in our Now the first thing you have to check your system. Where is the JDK installed? Where is your Java installed? So you have to check it. Then go to C drive. From C drive, go to program files. From program files, you can see the Java that we installed. You can see Java JDK part. Then now go to the bin folder. Now the bin folder is what contains different Java application, your JDK, Java Runtime, another Java important components. So this JDK part is what we do for our configuration process. Now the next thing we'll do, go to Windows. For Windows, there are two steps. So let me show you the first step. You go to settings. From settings, you click on system. You want to locate the environment variables. So type environment here. Even before you finish typing it comes up. Click on environment variables. So from here now we need to add our Java JDK platform here. Well, we have an observation. The observation that we have here, that you can see that this bit is not editable. So we can't add the parts. So how do we enable the environment variables in our system? So the second method. So let's close this. So you can also go to control panel. So go to your Windows, type control panel. Yeah, so from control panel, click on system and security. Next, click on system. Now, so you have this page now. Depending on the type of operating system that you have. So for this version, go and click on advanced system settings. For other operating system, you can just see system settings. So click on advanced system settings. Then next, you click on advanced. Then click on environment variables. You can see that the part here is editable. You can see. Now we want to set the environment variables part where our Java bin is located. Now here you click on new, and now type Java _home here. _home. Yeah. The next for the variable value. So our variable name is Java _home. Then next we have to put our variable value. Now our variable value is the part of our JDK. This one. Yeah. So let me show you again if you're not paying attention. Go to C drive. From C drive, go to program files. Next, you click on Java. Next, your JDK. next click on bin. I said the bin directory is the part where all the Java important components of Java JDK are installed. Java Runtime Environment, JDK, and other Java APIs are located. So you copy the part here. So you paste it in the variable value and click on what? OK. Click on OK. And click on OK. So as at this stage now, we've successfully configured our Java development kit software. So remember, we have done three things here. Well, we have done three things. We have downloaded the Java software. We have installed the Java software, and we have done the configuration of the Java software. Now, how do we check whether Java is successfully installed? So also go back to your command prompt. Click on command prompt. Type Java. There's a small case. Java version. So you can see that it's showing us the Java version 7.0.3.1 has been installed. Yes, so you can see. Then if you want to also check whether your Java compiler is working perfectly, you can also type Java C -version. So it's showing that our Java compiler it's okay. Can you see? You can also check whether your the environment variable for Java JDK is properly located. So you can type the command echo Java underscore right there, and type so you can see the path. So this shows that our installation is successful. So it has been a very great time with you all. We have successfully downloaded our Java file, and we have also installed and now our next class we will now talk about how to carry out our Java hello scripting program. So we'll talk about how to create a class, how to use Java syntax to run applications. We're going to start with this hello world. That's not for today. Thank you all again for joining our class. Our focus on Bashcom Tech is to our technical tools in IT. See you all next time. Have a good day.